I wake each day with a whisper in my mind. Did you check the lock? Was the stove left behind? 12 steps, 12 prayers, the ritual's never done. But I'm chasing calm where there's nowhere to run. I know it sounds strange, but it's louder than fear. It loops like a song I never asked to hear. This is not who I am, just what I've carried. Thoughts like storms, heavy and varied. But I'm learning to breathe, to sit through the night, to not run from fear, to stop chasing right. I'm breaking the loop, one moment, one fight. She handed me words like a lantern in the dark. ERP, she said, is where healing might start. Write it down, feel the burn and let it stay. Even monsters fade when you don't look away. It trembles, it screams, but it loses its sting when you stop obeying everything it brings. This is not who I am, just what I've carried. Thoughts like storms, heavy and varied. But I'm learning to breathe, to sit through the night, to not run from fear, to stop chasing right. I'm breaking the loop, one moment, one fight. It's not perfection, it's permission to be, to make space for the noise and still be free. No magic switch, no incident, just truth and time and one steady friend. This is not who I am, just what I've known, but it's not my